What's going on? This is Markie. Welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. So let's get started. Here I will go over and break down this online certification course which pertains to Introduction to Generative AI. When it comes to the introductory, you will get to know the basic of AI and machine learning. Sort of simply put, generative AI, a subset of artificial intelligence, focuses on creating models that can generate new data similar to the input data they were trained on. Before jumping right into generative AI, it is very important to understand the basics of artificial intelligence and machine learning. The students will begin with learning key concepts such as artificial intelligence, the simulation of human intelligent processes by machines, machine learning, a subset of AI that involves training algorithms to make predictions or decisions based on data, deep learning, a subset of ML that uses neural network with many layers to analyze various factors of data. Learn syntax and basics. Familiarize yourself with Python syntax and basic programming concepts. So let's dig a little bit deeper into what this Introduction to Generative AI online course has for you. Some of the topics that we'll cover will be: what is generative AI, popular generative AI tools, generative AI advantage and disadvantages, and ethical considerations, and of course, much more. There's also cool hands-on projects as well, such as implementing generative AI, uses cases, and building an interactive chat box. There's a total of 32 topics to be covered, such as prompt engineering and deep learning, and NLP essentials. Some of the learner outcomes will be the understanding of the ethical implications and considerations associated with generative AI, including privacy, bias, and misuse, and learn strategies along the way to address them responsibly. After the completion of this online course, learners will be equipped with the practical skills, foundational understanding, and ethical awareness necessary to leverage generative AI effectively and responsibly in their respected fields. After completing the Generative AI Fundamental course, it will allow you to be qualified for various job opportunities in the artificial intelligence field. These positions encompass roles such as natural language processing, or NLP, engineer AI, computer vision engineer, AI consultant, and machine learning engineer. Many thanks for taking some time to check this quick tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams Online Certification Courses. Please subscribe so you don't miss on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and they'll also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails as well floating around right here. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.